Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Apple Watch SE for fitness. To begin, make sure your personal details like height, weight, and age are accurately entered into the Health app on your iPhone. This ensures your calorie burn and other metrics are as precise as possible. Next, calibrate your watch by walking or running outdoors for at least 20 minutes. This helps improve the accuracy of distance and pace measurements for all your workouts. Your Apple Watch SE uses 3 colorful rings to help you visualize your daily activity goals. The red Move ring tracks active calories, encouraging you to burn a specific amount each day. The green Exercise ring measures minutes of brisk activity, with a default goal of 30 minutes. Finally, the blue Stand ring reminds you to stand up and move around for at least 1 minute during 12 different hours of the day. Closing these rings daily is a fantastic way to stay motivated and active. Your Apple Watch SE is a powerful workout companion, offering over 100 different workout types. Simply open the workout app, choose your activity, and tap to begin. You can track essential metrics like your heart rate, distance covered, and calories burned in real time. For outdoor activities, the built-in GPS accurately maps your route. Plus, with its water resistance up to 50 meters, you can confidently track your swimming sessions without worry. Beyond basic tracking, your Apple Watch SE offers features to deepen your fitness journey. Check your activity trends in the Fitness app to see how your performance changes over weeks and months. You can also share your activity rings with friends and family, fostering a supportive community and friendly competition. Earning achievement badges for reaching new milestones provides extra motivation to keep pushing towards your goals. It's a comprehensive tool for a healthier you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.